Hey you guys, so this week we're going to get into the second week of the CVS sales ad, and although we didn't get a ton of new digital coupons to work with, there are some deals that I was not aware of last week that I want to go over with you guys that were not in last week's video. So I'm really excited to show you guys that. I also came up with a 3 off 15 transaction using some of the new deals that I wasn't aware of last week or with new digital coupons or rebates that we got this week. And I also want to show you guys a really good rare spend 30 get back a $10 extra care buck deal for that spend 30 get 10 that's on a ton of different stuff that works on always feminine care products, which, as you guys know, if you coupon, is extremely rare. Like always with the second week of the CVS sales ad, I'll go over the new deals that were not in last week's video at the beginning and then repeat deals towards the end. And then before we get started, make sure you guys are following me on short form platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at kaylakoupons, the same way that my channel is spelled. I do post different videos on there that are quicker short form content covering CVS deals, Target deals, online deals. So if you're interested in that, definitely give me a follow on those platforms. And I do also post short form content here on YouTube Shorts as well. And I did want to mention I'm going to be going live once a week for the foreseeable future, either on Saturday or Sunday. If I go live on Saturday, I'll be going over the deals for the following Sunday. And then on Sunday, I'll just be answering questions about the current week's deals. So look out for me going live. It'll be for an hour or two every single weekend. So if you guys are interested, definitely have your notifications turned on for my channel. Make sure you're subscribed with the bell icon and it should let you know when I go live. One deal that I was not aware of last week is on the single count Dove bar soaps at $2.69. It has to be I think it's the 3.67 ounce size or 3.17 ounce size that are in the regular body wash bar soap aisle. These are $2.69 and they are working for the buy two get back a $4 extra buck deal. So you can grab two of them totaling $5.38 and you will earn your $4 extra buck back, making two of them $1.38. Now there are some travel size bars that are like 2 point something ounces. Make sure you do not grab those because those are not participating in the buy two get four. This week, at least at my store, the Neutrogena acne products have been marked down further on clearance, some items even being 75% off. One example are the more expensive sensitive skin acne patches at $3.74, and we do have that $3.50 digital coupon if you did not already use it. So that would make these just 24 cents. Definitely check your store. Another clearance skincare item are on the Clean and Clear. They're further marked down at my store. For example, the toners are $1.89, so I could grab two of them totaling $3.78 so I can use a $2 digital coupon, and that would make two of them $1.78. Garnier Fructis is 2 for $8 and buy two get back a $3 extra buck, so grab two and use a brand new 3 off 2 digital coupon that we got and you'll be left to pay $5, and after getting back your $3 extra buck, it makes two of them $2 or $1 each. Another deal that I did not know about last week was on the Degree deodorant at $6.29 at my store. They're buy one get one 50% off and buy two get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab two of them totaling $9.43 and use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you'd be left to pay $6.43, and after getting back the $4 extra buck, it makes two of them $2.43. Just keep in mind the women's are not attaching to the coupon. The twin packs of the Opti Free Pure Moist Contact Solution are $20.99 regular price, buy one get one 50% off and buy two get back a $10 extra buck. So we have a really good deal on these, grabbing a total of 2 twin packs, so 4 bottles total. Two would total $31.48 and we have a $6 digital coupon. So you would use that and you pay $25.48, but you get back your $10 extra buck, and then you can submit to Inbox Dollars for a $6 manufacturer coupon rebate on the one that you did not use the digital coupon for. So that makes the two of them just $9.48 or like $2.37 per bottle, since you're getting a total of 4 bottles. And if you guys do not already have Inbox Dollars, I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment to get a $5 bonus when you sign up there. Next, let's get into the items that are participating in the Spend 30 Get Back a $10 extra care bug promotion this week. One are the Always pocket pads that are $8.29 at my store. We have tons of different digital coupons attaching. I think I have like $3.50s and $1, and we also have $2 Ibotta rebates on these. So these are going to be a really great deal this week. And also participating are the Always maxi pads. These are priced at my store at $7.29, and we only have a $1.50 digital attaching to this. So you could grab one of those in a deal. And we also have $2 Ibotta rebates for these as well. Another item that you can throw into your spend 30 get 10 are the 2 equals 4 Bounty paper towels. My store is sold out, but they're $5.99 with a $1 digital coupon. Similarly, we have the Charmin 4 equals 16 $5.99 with a $1 digital coupon. These are in stock in my store, so I'm going to throw these into a couple of my scenarios this week. Dawn Power Wash are on sale for $5.99, and we have a $2 digital coupon, making them just $3.99. Another great item to throw into your transaction are these Febreze plug scent boosters that are new. They're on sale for $9.99 with a $5 digital coupon, which will make them just $4.99. The YWEKTYQ plug warmers are on sale for $4, and we have a $3 digital coupon that we just got, making them just $1. Another spend 30 get back a $10 extra care buck promotion deal is on the 2 count of the Febreze car clips that are on sale for $5.99 with a $3 digital coupon, making them $2.99. Also in the deal this week are the smaller size Downy Rinse and Refresh that are $6.99 with a $1.50 digital coupon. We also have the small size Tide Pods on sale for $5.49 with a $1 digital coupon. A lot of shave products are included in the spend 30 get 10, including these chic dermaplane razors that are $8.49. They are BOGO 50% off, but if you just grab one, you can use this $3 digital coupon, making them $5.49. Another great item in the promotion are the Gillette Fusion 5 razors on sale for $9.99 with a $3 digital coupon. One spend 30 get back a $10 extra care buck deal that you can do this week is grabbing 3 of the Always pocket pads at $8.29 and 1 of the Febreze car clips at $5.99. These 4 items would total $30.86, so we're good to get back our $10 extra buck. And you can use 3 $1.50 digital coupons on the Always pocket pads. We actually have 4 coupons attaching, $3 $50s and $1, but I think the $3 $50 should come off. And then we also have a $3 digital for the Febreze. If you also throw in a 3 off 15 CRT, you'd be left to pay $20.36, getting back your $10 extra buck. And then you would submit to Ibotta for 3 $2 Ibotta rebates, getting a total of $6 back on Ibotta, making your final cost $4.36 for all 4 items. And I will have Ibotta linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. You'll get a $5 bonus if you are new to Ibotta signing up with my link. Another spend 30 get back a $10 extra care buck deal that you can do this week is grabbing one of the YWEKTYQ warmers at $4, and then the Charmin on sale for $5.99, the Dawn on sale for $5.99, and the Febreze car clips on sale for $5.99, and then the chic dermaplane razors regular price at $8.49. Those 5 items would total $30.46, so we're going to get back our $10 extra buck for spending $30 before coupons. And then you can use a $3 digital coupon for the YWEKTYQ plug, a $1 for the Charmin, a $3 for the chic dermaplane, a $2 for the Dawn, and a $3 for the Febreze car clips. And you can also throw in a 3 off 15 CRT if you got it this week. You'd be left to pay $15.46 for all 5 items, but after getting back your $10 extra buck, it would make all 5 items just $5.46. Now let's get into a spend 30 get back a $10 extra care buck scenario on all chic products in case you need some razors, some nicer razors. You can first grab one of the chic men's at $14.99, and the regular, more expensive refillable razors are buy one get one 50% off. So to complete the BOGO 50%, you can grab one of the women's at $14.79 with a $4 digital coupon. And then to finish off the deal, you'd want to grab one of the Hydro Silk Dermaplane razors at $8.49. And these are also BOGO 50% off, but you don't have to worry about it interfering with the 2 more expensive razors because it is a different promotion from the more expensive refillable razors. And if your store is sold out of the Dermaplane, you can grab these Hydro Silk disposable razors instead. So for these 3 razor items, the total would be $30.87, and you can use a 5 off 25 chic CRT since all of these are chic, none of them are Skintimate. And then we have a $4 digital for the chic men's, a $3 digital for the disposables that attaches to the Dermablade razors, and then a $4 digital for the chic women's regular razors. So we'd be left to pay $14.87, getting back the $10 extra buck. That would make all 3 of these $4.87. Next, I want to get into a scenario for the HalionHuddle.com rebate. Halion health products are spend 30, get back a $10 extra buck, so included are Centrum vitamins. We can grab this one at $13.49 with a $3 digital coupon. And then we can also grab one of the Tums. The cheapest ones at my store were $8.99, so picking up one of those with a $1.50 digital coupon. And then finally grabbing the smaller size Excedrin pain relief that are $7.99 regular price that we have a $1.50 digital coupon for. So grabbing all three of these products totals $30.47. Again, we have the $3 digital for the Centrum, the $1.50 for the Tums, and then the $1.50 for the Excedrin. So using just those three coupons, you'd be left to pay $24.47. You'd earn back your $10 extra buck for spending $30, and then you'd also be able to submit for the HalionHuddle.com rebate for when you spend $25 before coupons. You earn back a $10 Visa card. So that would make all three of these health products just $4.47. And of course, you can also use a 3 off 15 CRT to make the deal even cheaper. The Gillette Foamy Shave Cream are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab two totaling $5.83, and after getting back the $3 extra buck, it would make two of them $2.83. Instead of the Gillette Foamy deal, you could also grab one of the Gillette Venus and one of the Gillette Sensor 2 disposable razors that are $8.69 each. They're the cheapest ones that CVS sells, at least at my store. They're priced at $8.69, and they're BOGO 50% off and buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab two totaling $13.03, and we have a separate $3 digital coupon for the Venus and for the Gillette. So you'd be left to pay $7.03. Getting back the $3 extra buck would make the two packs $4.03 for both. OGX shampoo and conditioner are $9.29 at my store. They're buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two, get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab two totaling $13.93 and use a 6 off 2 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $7.93, but after getting back your $4 extra buck, it would make two of them $3.93. Irish Spring and Soft Soap Body Wash are on sale for two for $11, and they're buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. And we have a separate $2 digital coupon for the Irish Spring and for the Soft Soap. So you would be left to pay just $7, and after getting back the $3 extra buck, it would make two bottles $4 or $2 each. Colgate mouthwash are spend 10, get back a $5 extra buck. So is the Colgate Total toothpaste. The mouthwash at my store are $5.79. So you can grab two of them totaling $11.58 and use a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $7.58, get back your $5 extra buck, and it would make two bottles of mouthwash just $2.58. Neutrogena makeup is spend 12, get back a $7 extra buck. So you can grab one of the Hydra Boost mascaras at $11.99 if your store still participates in the 98% rule. And then we have a $3 manufacturer digital coupon that you can use for Neutrogena cosmetics. So you'd end up paying $8.99, getting back your $7 extra buck would make the mascara just $1.99. The spend 50, get back a $10 extra buck deal is back on gift cards. It includes DoorDash, it includes Burlington, Subway, Chipotle, Cabela's, Bass Pro Shops, Applebee's, and more. Check out the ad for the full list of stores. I think it's really smart to pick up gift cards that someone in your life would like for their birthday or for Christmas. Prepare ahead and invest, and then you can spend your extra bucks on couponing. Alright, so I did two transactions today, a 3 off 15 and then one spend 30, get back a $10 extra care buck deal with Ibotta. So for this 3 off 15 transaction, I did the Garnier Fructis, the clearance Clean and Clear, the clearance Neutrogena, and then the Degree deal. So my Neutrogena and Clean and Clear digitals came off, as well as my 3 off 2 for the Degree and 3 off 2 for the Garnier, and my 3 off 15. And I used $10 in extra care bucks to pay, and then I got back $7 in extra bucks. That was 4 for the Degree and 3 for the Garnier. So that made everything that I grabbed just $3, which I thought was a really, really, really good deal, all things considered. So definitely check out your skincare clearance, because there is a lot of stuff, more than just Clean and Clear and Neutrogena. There is also Aveeno, there is Olay, there's a bunch of different brands, like even like La Roche-Posay that's on clearance. So definitely check it out and compare what coupons you have, and there may be something that you even use every day that's on clearance there. It's like half the aisle that's on clearance. All right, and then for my spend 30, get back a $10 extra care book transaction, I did the Always along with the Febreze car clips. The $3 for the Febreze came off, and then the $3.50 digitals for the Always. came off perfect. And then I used $14 in extra bucks to pay, which is all I had on this account. And then I had a $9 subtotal. So about $23 out of pocket for everything. But then I got back the $10 extra buck for spending $30. And I got back $6 on Ibotta. It was $2 for each of the always. And that rebate was a limit of 3. So I spent out 23 in total between extra bucks and cash, and got back a total of 16 between extra bucks and Ibotta. Made this transaction a cost of $7, which is less than the regular retail cost of one of the always. I think that's a really great deal. Definitely a stock up deal this week on always pads with those Ibotta rebates. And the fact that the maxi pads are also included, we only have one digital, but we do also have those $2 rebates, is a really great deal. So definitely grab what your family, your household will use, or what you want to donate this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's CVS deals video. If you did, please leave the video a like and a comment so it continues to get put on your feed and get pushed out to more people so they can learn couponing at CVS. And again, make sure you're following me on all my other platforms, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, where I post short form content. And I will catch you guys next week for the new CVS sales ad.